Regain instant control over your Scotiabank credit card with this simple guide on how to lock and unlock your card through the Scotiabank mobile app or online banking. First, let's dive into the mobile app. Open the Scotiabank app on your smartphone and log in securely using your username and password. Once logged in, you'll see your account's dashboard. Tap on the credit card you wish to manage. On the credit card details screen, look for an option usually labeled Card Controls or Manage Card. Tap on this. Here, you'll see options to manage your card. To lock it, simply tap the toggle or slide the button next to Lock Card. You'll receive a confirmation that your card is now secured. Should you need to use your card again, return to the same card control screen and simply tap the toggle or slide the button to unlock card. Your card is now active and ready for transactions. Now, for those who prefer online banking, visit the Scotiabank website and log in using your Scotia card number or username and password. After logging in, navigate to your account's overview and click on the credit card you wish to manage. On your credit card summary page, look for a section like Card Services or Manage Card and click on it. Within the card management options, you'll find the ability to lock your card. Select the Lock Card or Temporarily Block Card option. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the action. Your credit card will be immediately locked for all transactions. To unlock your card, return to the same section, select Unlock Card or Temporarily Unblock Card, and confirm the action to regain full access. Staying in control of your credit card security has never been easier. Whether you're on the go or at your desk, you're now equipped to lock and unlock your Scotiabank credit card in a matter of moments. For more helpful tips and to stay informed about your financial security, be sure to subscribe and like this video.